HKSI.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.
HKSI.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.
HKSI.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.
An Elizabeth Otieno, ane county volunteer mar HKSI, Hope for Kenya Slum Adolescent Initiative. Kauno ni wan gi romo mar mentorship program with the girls. You can see them. So we were just talking about our issues as girls, and most of them are school goers. So we were also talking about the experiences in school, the challenges they are facing, and providing some basic mentorship to them. HKSI is an non-profitable organization aiming to empower young adolescent girls living in slum areas, which are Manyata, Obunga, and Kisumu. We are located in 5 counties, that is Kisumu, Nairobi, Mombasa, Uasin Gishu, and Busia. So this is the team from Kisumu, and the main focus of HKSI is to empower young girls through education and through business boost. About the boys, we are planning to incorporate boys because you cannot talk about girls minus the boys. But for now we have, due to statistics, it is said that girls are more vulnerable than boys. So we are trying to uplift the more vulnerable ili wafike kwa level moja. So that is why for a start we started with the girl child, and later we can incorporate girls also. Kawuono ne watimo gimiluongo ni JIP mentorship session ne nyithindo manyiri mantie migao mar HKSI. Koro ne warado ka waduto sana nyiri mantie school mondo wapuonjre ngima kaka joma nyiri chalo nade, changamoto mag mwakale, to en ang'o ma wanyalo timo mondo wamed jiwre kaka nyithindo manyiri modak kuonde mongokore ma Manyata. Koro momiyo waloso rado ni through HKSI support mondo warad mondo wawuo kaka joma nyiri.
Okay, my name is Nicola Diambo Moni. I learn at St. Mark Nyabera Comprehensive located in Nyalenda A. So this group known as HKSI has helped me a lot, especially in mentorship and coaching, provide me with the school fees, and also some needs like today we had a section involving menstrual flow. So they also provide us sometimes with pads and other needs.
Okay, my name is Christina Kinyi Otieno. I learn at Niagas National School located in Siaya County. I am a beneficiary of HKSI, and I must admit that this organization has really helped me in terms of achieving my dreams. First of all, I want to be an accountant. This was not a dream to be achieved just only by saying it. I had the dream, but I could not fulfill it because my parent was not able. But through HKSI, who came through and helped me, I am now able to achieve my dream because they paid my school fees, and now I am at Niagas working for my dream, and I hope to go miles. I also want to thank our director Melvin for the mentorship programs she always sponsor, like this one. We are being encouraged and empowered. I thank her so much, and also providing us with the pads and everything. I am so grateful. Thank you.
I am Helen Akot, and I learn at St. Francis Rangala Girls, and I'm a beneficiary of HKSI, which has really empowered me in my life, and they have helped me through paying for my school fees and the mentorship programs that they have been holding for us, and providing us with pads also. I want to thank the director for giving us a chance to go to school. Yes.
My name is Joy Gracious. I'm a student at Nyakach Girls High School. I'm really grateful for this organization, HKSI, for coming in and helping my parents pay for my school fees that they weren't able to pay for me. Indeed, I'm grateful, for I am going to succeed in my dream of being a teacher in the near future. And to the other girls, I'm encouraging them to work smart in school, for they will also get a chance to join us.
HK Sai.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.
HK Sai.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.
HK Sai.
Hope for Kenyan Slum Adolescent Initiative.